So good evening everyone present over here. So first of all, myself Dr. Vinisha from Mankind Pharma Limited. Basically by profession, I am also a veterinarian. I have done my BVSC as well as my MVSC from Pantnagar Veterinary College. That is now in Uttarakhand. Earlier it was the part of UP. So I was from the batch 2011 and passed out in 2016. Thereby I did my masters in MVSC nutrition from the same college. So now I joined Mankind Pharma in the year 2022. So this was a brief introduction about me. Now the brief introduction about the company. Incepted in the year 1995, Mankind Pharma is the youngest pharmaceutical company which has become ranked 5th among the IPM pharmaceutical company. That is, in the span of only 25 to 28 years, the company has achieved a rank of 3rd largest pharmaceutical company amongst Indian pharmaceutical companies. Then our footprints along working with only in India. Apart from this, we are working with 19 different countries around the world with 25 manufacturing plants, and we are having our 6 R&D centers who are WHO approved and US FDA approved also. If I talk about our leaders, we have a major influential leaders in our team, Mr. Ramesh Juneja sir, who is our chairman and whole-time director, Mr. Rajiv Juneja sir, who is our vice chairman and managing director, Mr. Sheetal Arora, who is our chief executive officer, and Mr. Arjun Juneja, who is our chief operating officer. So our philosophy is to provide quality medicine at an affordable price and to become our availability, to be our presence at every part of the country, whether it is rural India or whether it is urban India. So this was a glimpse where last year in 2023 July, Mankind showcased itself at Dubai Burj Khalifa. So here we forecasted that we are the company who are providing DMF quality medicines at an affordable prices to the Indian patient. So what are DMF quality medicines? DMF quality medicines are those which are having their drug master file with 99% grade purity. So we are not only exporting it to the foreign countries, most of the companies are exporting it to the foreign countries, to the European countries also. But here in Mankind, we are providing it to the Indian masses at an affordable prices also. So moving further, among the veterinary company, we have started our work in the year 2015, and within a short span of time, within 9 years, we had become a company of worth 450 CR. And currently we are having our 6 verticals in the animal healthcare segment. That is, one is the Vet Mankind, another is the Bovi Mankind, Veticura Mankind, Vetjoy Mankind, Avian Mankind, as well as the Pet Mankind. The first 4 divisions are working with the livestock animals, that is the larger animals, Avian with the poultry, and the Pet Mankind with the canine division. So the glimpse of our major product, as earlier presentation was also going on, which was forecasted on the nutritional deficiency amongst the dairy animals. So here the lower nutritional status of the animal, which is majorly leading to reduced milk yield, reduced conception rate, and reduced calf growth. But what about the pregnant animals? In the pregnant animal, it leads to anemia, compromised immunity, reduced fetal development, and increased stress on the liver. So for this, creating a differentiation, it is first time in India that we launched a mineral mixture which is Bovi-OK, that is first time mineral mixture in the granular form in India. So what are the differentiation that we created? It is the first time that we are providing in granular form, so no spillage, better absorption of the nutrient, and it is ensuring the uniform nutrient. Whereas compared to the other other mineral mixtures which are already coming, so they are providing a nutrient wastage and more of the spillage. So amongst all the available mineral mixtures which are there present into the market, we are the providing highest component of the mineral in this Bovi-OK, that is 13 component of minerals, 7 component of the vitamins, probiotic enhancer, milk quality enhancer probiotic, that is Saccharomyces, and pregnancy care nutrient, that is hematopoietic herb. Our Bovioke mineral mixture comes with the novel glycine chelation technology. Why we have chosen this novel glycine chelation? Because it is the smallest amino acid and proven for the better quality of absorption and better quality of the milk production. So what are the differentiating features which makes Bovioke different from rest of the mineral mixtures which are coming into the market? It is the first time that mineral mixture has been launched in the granular form. Secondly, with the novel glycine chelation, with pregnancy care nutrient, where all the mineral mixtures coming in market, they are focusing only on infertility. But what about after the animal achieves its conception? So here we are focusing mineral mixture on pregnancy care nutrient, as we have added here folic acid into the mineral mixture for the pregnancy care, as well as we have combined with the hematopoietic herbs along with the iron, which makes the uterine lining of the animal strong, folic acid and iron rapid development of the RBC cells, and further hematopoietic herbs which reduces the risk of anemia in the pregnant animal. Because most of our dairy farmers are not enlightened about this factor, that during pregnancy almost 37 to 40% of the animal suffers from anemia, and farmer does not take care about this major factor. So where most of the farmer have become aware of using mineral mixture, so here we have added a mineral mixture which is for the betterment, which is for the fighting the anemic problems among the dairy animals. And one more thing that we have highlighted here, that we have provided with most palatable form, that is with the grass flavor we have added over here. Another segment which we are coming, that we are providing the antibiotic which is the most preferred antibiotic with quality and excellence, that is Ceftiforce Tazo, which is safe in pregnancy, coming with the combination of Tazobactam to overcome resistance in animal, bactericidal in nature, and broad spectrum antibiotic. And here we are trying to meet the standards which meets the international standards that we have in the plants. In our plants we have automatic vial machine, we have automatic depyrogenation tunnel for the ejecting the foreign particles out, then automatic steam sterilizer, Bachmann counter machine which provide minute by minute information about the aseptic changes in the API content, and stringent in quality process control API. So here Ceftiforce Tazo, which can be used in major indications of mammary gland infection, that is mastitis, respiratory tract infection, urinary tract infection, uterine infection, and post-operative care treatments. Then as you all know that whenever an antibiotic is used in any cases of the infections, so it leads to the development of the ruminal microflora down. So their animal becomes anorectic, their animal starts decreasing the quantity of the milk as well as the quality of the milk. So another major product which we highlight here to provide along with the antibiotic treatment, that is Tonakine Gold powder, which is consisting of 1000 billion CFUs of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is highest among any other competitors which are present into the market. So it improves ruminal microflora, it improves the feed efficiency, and it prevents the droppage in the milk production, Tonakine Gold powder. Then to counter the problems of ketosis. Ketosis is a major metabolic disease which occurs due to when animal mobilizes its adipose tissues, and then comes the problem of negative energy balance. An animal start producing the ketone bodies which are secreted into the urine of the animal. So to counter these problems of negative energy balance and ketosis, we are providing with our Anadyna Advance an investment in the energy production, an investment in treating the problems of ketosis, that 3 vital steps for the energy production. That is, first with Anadyna Advance we are highlighting on glucose generation, then the produced glucose molecule absorption into the cell, and thirdly the conversion of this glucose into the energy with very advanced formula, that is PCN formula, which we highlight in our product, that is Anadyna Advanced Liquid, that it comes with propylene glycol, it comes with chromium, and it comes with niacin. So So propylene glycol increases the insulin receptors by 200 to 300, 400 times and gets directly absorbed from the rumen. Then chromium helps in the absorption of this formed glucose molecule into the cell. And thirdly, niacin, which helps in the generation of the ATP or cellular respiration. If the condition, you can imagine the condition where glucose is being produced, you are feeding some feed to the animal in case of negative energy balance, but that glucose is not being absorbed into the body of the animal. Similarly is the condition of a diabetic patient. So you can imagine diabetic patient is having means he is having hunger at all the time, but he can't generate the ATP from the absorbed glucose molecule. Similarly, in case of negative energy balance and ketosis in case of in these disease condition. So here Anadyna Advance helps the animal to energize and to achieve the peak milk lactation. Then as every veterinarian is present over here knows about this product, that is Neurokind Plus Vet injection. So we say that this injection is an expert B complex in the nervine disorders or nervine related diseases. So this expert B complex, which is consisting of mecobalamin, consisting of pyridoxine, consisting of nicotinamide, which helps in the faster regeneration of the nervine tissues in case of any injuries, in case of any nervine disorders, in case of any fractures, or in case of any kind of neuronal diseases. So pyridoxine now helps in the synthesis of the neurotransmitters and rapid transmission of the nerve impulses across the body. So let's resume again. So basically I was talking about that our product, that is Anadyna Advance Liquid, is a major product to counter the negative energy balance and the conditions of ketosis. So ketosis, how it develops, it is the mobilization of the adipose tissues basically in in high yielder animals, and again it leads to the development of the ketone bodies in the urine or blood or milk. It leads to the development of ketone bodies. So what happens here, the animal is not able to produce certain amount of the glucose generation, which is hampered here in this case. So Anadyna Advance provide 3 vital steps for the energy generation. That is, first, PCN formula based product, that is propylene glycol for the energy generation, chromium for the transfer of the formed glucose molecule into the cell, and niacin is the production of ATP molecule from the absorbed glucose molecule in the mitochondria. So our Anadyna Advance is a product that helps the animal to achieve its peak lactation in the period of ketosis and to overcome the negative energy balance situation. So currently we are promoting the 3 bottle dosage protocol for Anadyna Advance, that is to provide 1 liter 3 to 5 days before calving and 2 bottles 10 to 15 days before after the calving period. So our presentation comes in 500 ml as well as 1 liter bottle. Then the most prescribed by the veterinarians product for the nervine disorders, that is Neurokind Plus Vet injection, which is the combination of mecobalamin, pyridoxine and niacinamide. So whenever there are the condition of neuronal damage, any condition related to the fracture, any condition related to the disease where recovery is not taking place in animal. So for the healthy neuronal repair, as an expert B complex, we provide Neurokind Plus Vet injection, where mecobalamin helps in the faster regeneration of the myelin sheath, pyridoxine in the synthesis of neurotransmitters for the rapid brain and body coordination, and niacinamide for the energy generation. So synergistic combination of mecobalamin, pyridoxine and nicotinamide helps to recover the damaged nerves, helps to restore the structural and the functional integrity of the damaged neurons. So dosage for the large animal, that is 5 to 10 ml daily for 2 to 3 days by IM or IV route, both way we can provide. Another major problem which come across the animal is the problem of infertility. And even when the animal comes into the conception, again within the period, that is in the first week, majority of the animal, they show the symptoms of EED, that is early embryonic death. And this leads to the repeat of the animal in 28 to 30 days after the AI, which leads to the reduced pregnancy rate. So what is early embryonic death? That is the failure of maternal recognition of pregnancy, reduced secretion of interferon tau by the fetus, and then reduced secretion of the progesterone by the mother, that is by the CL of the mother, and insufficient uterine milk production that leads to the early embryonic death. And majority factor which plays here is the nutritional deficiency. So here, to overcome the problem of EED, when our people are going for AI also, they are doing well developed AI, they are using good quality semen also, but then also the animal is not coming into, again it is repeating after 28 days. So the solution for it, that we present chelated totavate bolus to support the embryo development up to 3 weeks after the conception with 2x power of trace minerals. Why 2x power of trace minerals? Because first, manganese, which helps in the CL dependent progesterone release for the first 30 days after conception. It helps in the nourishment of the developing embryo by promoting the release of the uterine milk, and again manganese helps in the support of nidation or implantation. So the overall benefit, that one bolus of chelated totavate bolus, it contains 1.4 gram copper, cobalt 0.112 gram, and rest of the nutrient, and with the advantage of manganese into it. So it makes the uterine environment stable for the embryo and helps in promoting the release of the uterine milk, where the embryo cannot make, or where the mother cannot secrete the uterine milk effectively for the first 21 days. So it leads to the condition of early embryonic death. So to overcome this problem, we have chelated totavate bolus. Then the uterine infection again plays a major role in the reproductive performance, a threat. They plays a major role in creating a threat, whether it is unhygienic calving, whether it is retained placenta, whether it is any kind of prolapse, or whether it is abortion, or it is the case of dystopia. So again our farmer comes into dilemma that his animal this time who has successfully conceived, but now he has shown the signs of abortion. So here Mankind, it presents Amica grade MIU, which is the combination of amikacin and metronidazole, effective combination for both gram positive, gram negative fusobacterium and many more gram positive and gram negative bacteria. So it overcomes the major consequences of uterine infection, and it is a great solution for the uterine infection, that is 60 ml IU daily consecutively for the 3 days. Next, to overcome the problem of milk fever, Mankind first is the company which has launched the elemental calcium in gel form, that is calciumust gel. And calciumous gel, it is the non-irritating kind of calcium which does not cause any irritation to the mucosal lining of the esophagus. So animal takes it very easily. It is very palatable because of the orange flavor, and it helps in the faster absorption of the calcium because of the higher content of the vitamin D3, and helps in the faster energy metabolism also. So for prevention of milk fever, currently we are promoting 4 dosage bottle protocol, that is 1 bottle just before parturition, another bottle, second bottle, that is just after parturition, third bottle 12 hours after parturition, post parturition, and fourth bottle 24 hours post parturition. So this is a complete protocol for the milk fever treatment. But sometimes it happens that 1 out of 3 lactating animal, high yielders animal, even when we are going for the for the IV calcium therapy, when we go for the IV calcium therapy, they again show the signs of the milk fever, or they again comes into this milk fever condition. So to prevent this relapse, we have Calcimus gel with the protocol of 3 bottles, that is first bottle after IV fluid therapy, second 24 hours after IV therapy, and third bottle 48 hours after IV therapy. So as a supportive along with the IV treatment, we can promote with Calcimus gel. The newly launched product which has been added into our basket for the treatment of hypovolumic shock, where rapid blood loss occurs, where rapid fluid loss occurs due to the major conditions like theileriosis, which sir has already discussed here, anaplasmosis, babesiosis, Sarra, very severe dysentery and very severe hemorrhagic condition. So here Mankind has launched Plasma Large IV infusion with hydroxyethyl solution, hydroxyethyl starch solution along with sodium chloride. So how Plasma Large works? So Plasma Large works with based on the principle of osmotic pressure gradient. Because the molecular weight of hydroxyethyl cellulose is very high, that is 1,30,000 Dalton size, so it promotes the fluid recovery from the interstitial fluid, and again it promotes the interstitial fluid into the capillaries. So now this blood which has been filled with the fluid is now vitalized to the vital organs. So Plasma Large for the rapid plasma restoration for the vital function, which supports, because we have provided Plasma Large in FSS form, that is foam, fill, seal, because where we are manufacturing this product, there only all packaging and manufacturing occurring at the same place. So there is zero contamination situation for the Plasma Large. So dosage is 8 to 10 ml per kg body weight for the animal, and for the smaller animal we can promote it by 20 ml per kg body weight for the plasma restoration to support the vital functions. So this is all major glimpse of our product for the Mankind. So thank you. Have a nice day.